Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying your phone supports more than one access method. On Android, that means users/profiles, and on iPhone, you'll rely on features like guided access or shortcuts for layered locks. Back up your data so you can restore if you change settings. Once done, create 2 distinct, strong passwords, one for primary account and one for the secondary profile or restricted mode. Make sure to record them in a secure password manager so you can switch without getting locked out. You now create the second profile and attach its password. On Android, add a user or profile and choose which apps and permissions that account can access. On iPhone, use screen time for a restricted passcode or guided access to lock a single app. Then assign the second password or PIN to that profile or restriction. Once configured, switch between accounts to confirm app behavior and permissions. If needed, tweak notifications and lock screen visibility, so the 2 access levels remain. Finish by thoroughly testing. Log into the main account, then switch to the secondary password to confirm the limits you set. Enable device encryption and consider adding biometric fallback tied to the primary account for convenience. Make sure notifications and widgets don't leak private info between profiles. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use your cloud backup or account recovery tools and retrieve saved passwords from your manager. If you get locked out, boot to recovery or contact manufacturer support, but first verify your saved credentials.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.